Welcome to everyone to our YouTube channel Stock Market Biz. So guys, today we are going to study about what next about Nifty. Nifty, as you all know, it is a index of National Stock Exchange NSE, which represents the overall movement of top 50 companies which are listed in NSE or National Stock Exchange. So many people are telling, you might be knowing in the news, you might be hearing that today Nifty went up and yesterday Nifty came down, all these things. So most of you are worrying as well as thinking what next. Yes, this question arises in everybody's mind who are following the market, stock market, either Nifty or either Sensex. So what next in Nifty, what next in Sensex? Yes, today we are going to study about, today we are going to discuss about what next. That next question, hope at the end of this video you all guys will get to know the possible movement or possible market trend in coming days, maybe for a 15 days, maybe for this entire month, that is June month. So let us start what may happen or what happened previously. As you all know, Nifty has made a 52-week low around March 25th, and from there it started going up from 7,400, and on June 3 it reached the top of recently on you can see the date 8th June, it touched the top of 10,336. So what next? Yes, the answer for this is here, guys. Before that, we are really happy for the support you guys are giving to follow our all the updates, our upcoming videos. Normally we do release 2 to 3 videos a week, so that it will help you guys to get a more knowledge, to learn new things, and to get the exact and the genuine update about stock market. So now let us see that what can happen. So before that, those who haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the link below. As you can see a bell icon, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you guys can follow the latest updates. So now let us see what may happen in Nifty. So today Nifty was closed the green, but overall, see, for us, for from our team Stock Market Biz, we do tell you whatever the Nifty made a high of on 3rd June, you can see all the closing of the market from 3rd June is all below the high of 3rd June. You can see that whatever the closing which happened from 3rd June, it is completely below the high of 3rd June. So you can see Nifty is just consolidating. So whichever the Nifty is right now in a consolidation period. Consolidation means market is neither up nor down. Market is neither in buy side nor in bull side. So nor in sell side. It is just struggling to break either way. So right now many people may get stuck in this stage. They will be thinking market will go up from here, market will go down here, and at the end of the month or at the end of the week or at the end of the day, they will feel that, oh, I got stuck here, I got stuck in this buy moment, in this sell position, lot many things. So I would suggest whatever the range Nifty break either ways, either above 10,336 or 9,940 below. These two are really important zones right now for the Nifty, and along with that, I would say you can see the coming 17th June will be a one of the important date for Nifty. 17th June is going to be one of the important date for Nifty, and the major important date in this month, I'm telling you, in this month, that is a short term important date for the Nifty, is between 24th June and 26th June. You can see, I'm damn sure market will either make a high or market will either make a low, maybe from the downside or maybe from the upper side. So do note these dates, 17th June and 24th to 26th June. These three dates are really important for the Nifty, and hope in the coming days you guys will definitely know that what may happen in the market. And I'm damn sure at the end of this expiry or at the end of this month, you guys will notice the importance of this date. So guys, hope you can like mark these important dates in your diary or in your trading journal, and you will follow this. Probably we are expecting a downtrend, but we are not confident about it, because as you can see, government is coming up with a lot many plans to raise the to lift the economy, or I would say, in other words, it might be a, I would say, government might be trying to lift the market. Who knows, right? At some point of time, everything may go waste and it may start its further falling. Yes, I would tell you, it's a market, anything can happen, but we are expecting slightly, our view is to bearish, but bearish is below 9,940, and our view will be bullish only about 10,336. So guys, mark these dates and mark these levels and plan your all the trades. 17th June and 24th to 26th June, these 3 dates are really important for one to take a trades. Hope you all guys got this. And one more important news, or one more important update for everybody is really important. So all of you might be thinking, what is that? Be cautious if you're holding us a long term stocks. They may take a correction in this incoming time. So try to be cautious with your buying all the equity buyings, because we are expecting something uncomfortable in the market. We are watching something uncomfortable is happening. So be cautious with your all the buyings, equity buyings, and I would say try to book your profits at your comfortable levels. So thank you guys, this is what updates we wanted to give you at this point of time. If any really good update, and if any update we observed in the market, we would let you know, and we will update you that. To know that, again I'm telling you, do subscribe to our channel so that you guys will get important updates. Thank you, and see you with one more really important videos in a coming days. Thank you.